Now let's begin with construction of triangles. Here AC1B is equal to AC2B is equal to AC3B. For construction of triangle, to fix the point C, we need more information. What type of information we need? Base AB is given, vertex angle C on the arc. We need one more perimeter, that is either median or altitude. Now let's see how to construct a triangle with a given base vertex, angle and a median corresponding to the base. Let's look at an example. Construct triangle PQR such that PR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, angle PQR is equal to 65 degrees and length of median QM is equal to 4 centimeters. Solution. We want to construct a triangle PQR such that angle PQR is 65 degrees and PR is equal to 5.5 centimeters and median QM is equal to 4 centimeters. Let O be the center of the circle. It is given that angle PQR is equal to 65 degrees. Since angle PQR is less than 90 degree and triangle POR is an isosceles triangle, therefore, in triangle POR, angle OPR is equal to angle ORP is equal to 90 minus 65 is equal to 25 degrees. Now, we know how to construct angle PQR, which is 65 degrees, subtended by chord PR. To fix up the point Q on the arc PQR, the length of median is given 4 centimeters. Now let's look at the construction. Draw segment PR of length 5.5 centimeters. At the end points of segment PR, draw angle of 25 degrees. Let the intersection of arms of angle be O. Now, take O as the center and OP as radius. Draw an arc to the center side of the circle. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of segment PR and name the midpoint as M. Taking M as the center, draw arc with radius 4 centimeters which cuts the given arc in point Q and Q dash. Join PQ and QR. Triangle PQR is the required triangle. Let's look at another example. Construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 8.5 centimeters, angle DFE is equal to 120 degrees and segment FK is median and FK is equal to 3 centimeters. Solution. We want to construct triangle DEF such that angle DFE is equal to 120 degrees. DE is equal to 8.5 centimeters and median FK is equal to 3 centimeters. Let O be the center of the circle. It is given that angle DFE is equal to 120 degrees. Since angle DFE is greater than 90 degrees and triangle DOE is an isosceles triangle, therefore, in triangle DOE, angle ODE is equal to angle OED is equal to 120 minus 90 is equal to 30 degrees. We know how to construct angle DFE is equal to 120 degrees subtended by the chord DE. To fix up the point F On the arc DFE, the length of median is given 3 centimeters. Now let's look at the construction. Draw segment DE is equal to 8.5 centimeters. Now, at the end points of DE, draw angles of 30 degrees to lower side of segment DE. Let intersection of arms of angle B, O. Take O as the center and OD or OE as radius. Draw the arc to the opposite side of center. Now, draw perpendicular bisector of arc DE and name the midpoint as K. Taking K as a center, draw arc with radius 3 centimeters which cuts the given arc in point F and F dash. Join DF and FE. Thus, triangle DFE is the required triangle. Now let's see how to construct a triangle with a given base, altitude and the angle opposite to the base. Example: construct triangle GPR such that GR is equal to 5.3 centimeters, angle GPR is equal to 70 degrees, PM is perpendicular to GR and PM is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Solution: we want to construct a triangle GPR such that angle GPR is equal to 70 degrees and GR is equal to 5.3 centimeters and altitude PM is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Let O be the center of the circle. It is given that angle GPR is equal to 70 degrees. Since angle GPR is less than 90 degrees and triangle GOR is an isosceles triangle, therefore, in triangle GOR, angle OGR is equal to angle ORG is equal to 90 minus 70 is equal to 20 degrees. We know how to construct angle GPR subtended by chord GR. To fix up the point P on the arc GPR, draw a line parallel to GR at a distance 3.5 centimeters from segment GR on X side. Now let's look at the construction. Draw segment GR of length 5.3 centimeters. Now, at the end points of segment GR, draw angles of 20 degrees each and let the intersection of arms of angle B, O. Taking O as the center and OG as radius, draw an arc to the center side of the circle. Extend the segment GR and take any point N on it. Draw a perpendicular line through point N. Take a point Q on the perpendicular such that NQ is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Then draw a line L parallel to segment GR through point Q. Thus, line L intersects the given arc in 2 points. Call them P and P dash. Now join GP and PR. Draw PM perpendicular to segment GR. Thus, triangle GPR is the required triangle. Example: construct triangle XYZ such that XZ is equal to 8.8 centimeters, angle XYZ is equal to 105 degrees, YA is perpendicular to XZ and YA is equal to 2.9 centimeters. Solution. We want to construct triangle XYZ such that angle XYZ is equal to 105 degrees, XZ is equal to 8.8 centimeters, and YA is altitude, YA is equal to 2.9 centimeters. Let O be the center of the circle. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 105 degrees. Since angle XYZ is greater than 90 degrees and triangle XOZ is an isosceles triangle, therefore, in triangle XOZ, angle OXZ is equal to angle OZX is equal to 105 minus 90 is equal to 15 degrees. Now we know how to construct angle XYZ of 105 degrees subtended by chord XZ. To fix up the point Y on the arc XYZ, draw a line parallel to AX at a distance 2.9 centimeters from segment XZ on D side. Let's look at the steps of construction. Draw segment XZ of 8.8 centimeters. At the endpoints of XZ, draw angles of 15 degrees to lower side of segment XZ. Let the intersection of arms of angles be O. Taking O as the center and OX or OZ as radius, draw an arc on the opposite side of the center. Extend the segment ZX and take any point N on it. Draw a perpendicular line through point N. Take a point Q on the perpendicular such that NQ is equal to 2.9 centimeters. Then draw a line L parallel to segment XZ through point Q. Line L intersects the given arc in 2 points Y and Y dash. Now join XY and YZ. Draw YA perpendicular to segment XZ. Thus, triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Now let's solve exercise 3.3. Question 1. Construct a triangle LMN such that LM is equal to 6.6 centimeters, angle LNM is equal to 65 degrees, and ND is median. ND is equal to 5 centimeters. Solution. Let O be the center of the circle. It is given that angle LNM is equal to 65 degrees. Since angle LNM is less than 90 degrees and triangle LOM is an isosceles triangle, therefore, in triangle LOM, angle OLM is equal to angle OML is equal to 90 minus 65 is equal to 25 degrees. Now, we know how to construct angle LNM, which is 65 degrees, subtended by chord LM. To fix up the point N on the arc LNM, the length of median is given 5 centimeters. Now let's look at the construction. Draw segment LM of length 6.6 centimeters. At the endpoints of segment LM, draw angle of 25 degrees. Let the intersection of arms of angle be O. Now, take O as the center and OL as radius. Draw an arc to the center side of the circle. Now, draw the perpendicular bisector of segment LM and name the midpoint as D. Taking D as a center, Draw arc with radius 5 centimeters which cuts the given arc in point N and N dash. Join LN and NM. Triangle LMN is the required triangle. Question 2. Construct triangle XYZ such that XY is equal to 9.5 centimeters, angle XZY is equal to 115 degrees, ZP is median, ZP is equal to 3.3 centimeters. Solution. Let O be the center of the circle. It is given that angle XZY is equal to 115 degrees. Since angle XZY is greater than 90 degrees and triangle XOY is an isosceles triangle, therefore, in triangle XOY, angle OXY is equal to angle OYX is equal to 115 minus 90 is equal to 25 degrees. We know how to construct angle XZY is equal to 115 degrees subtended by chord XY. To fix up the point Z on the arc XZY, the length of median is given 3.3 centimeters. Now let's look at the construction. Draw segment XY is equal to 9.5 centimeters. Now, at the endpoints of XY, draw angles of 25 degrees to lower side of segment XY. Let intersection of arms of angle be O. Take O as the center and OX or OY as radius. Draw the arc to the opposite side of center. Now, draw perpendicular bisector of arc XY and name the midpoint as P. Taking P as a center, draw arc with radius 3.3 centimeters which cuts the given arc in point Z and Z dash. Join XZ and ZY. Thus, triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Question 3. Construct triangle DEF such that DF is equal to 6.2 centimeters. Angle DEF is equal to 60 degrees. EM is perpendicular to DF and EM is equal to 4.4 centimeters. Solution. Let O be the center of the circle. It is given that angle DEF is equal to 60 degrees. Since angle DEF is less than 90 degrees and triangle DOF is an isosceles triangle, therefore, in triangle DOF, angle ODF is equal to angle OFD is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degrees. To fix up the point E on the arc DEF, draw a line parallel to DF at a distance 4.4 centimeters from segment DF on X side. Now, let's look at the construction. Draw segment DF of length 6.2 centimeters. Now, at the endpoints of segment DF, draw angles of 30 degrees each and let the intersection of arms of angle be O. Taking O as the center and OD as radius, draw an arc to the center side of the circle. Extend the segment DF and take any point N on it. Draw a perpendicular line through point N. Take a point Q on the perpendicular such that NQ is equal to 4.4 centimeters. Then draw a line L parallel to segment DF through point Q. Thus, line L intersects the given arc in 2 points. Call them E and E'. Now join DE and EF. Draw EM perpendicular to segment DF. Thus, triangle DEF is the required triangle.